Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in excellent condition. A black MB-Tex interior, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLB 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a keyless entry, blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation and command. We also got a touchscreen media display. New to Mercedes is our MBUX, which you can give it voice command by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And with a simple voice command, it will do so. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a 3D view backup camera with sensors, Parktronic, dual climate controls, USB ports, our new touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our different camera angles for our parking assist. This GLB 250 has 5,287 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLB 250, check out feldmanimports.com.